Hey guys, well, got a little space cleaned out here to pull the truck in. Got to do a few things to her. I'm gonna pull off the bed. I think it'd be a little easier to pull off the bed than to drop the tank, which I got, I don't know, maybe 10 gallons of fuel in there right now. But I just don't really feel like messing with having to get new straps and shit. So I'll just pull the bed off. I think it'll be easier to. I think I can film things a little bit easier when I'm changing the fuel lines and shit like that. So I think I'm just gonna pull the bed off. There's only 8 bolts really, so yep, I'm gonna go ahead and start that project today. So stay tuned. All right, guys. There's if you're looking just in front of the back tire, there's a couple of standoffs. Frame. Let's get a little light here. There we go. You can see one bolt, and just a little bit back. Oh, sorry. There's one here at the very front of the bed. You can see the gap between the cab and the bed there. There's one right there, and come back a little bit. There's a standoff on the frame. On each side, there's one right there. So that's the leaf spring. That's the eye of the leaf spring. So just above that, and just above, or right in the front of the cab, or the front of the bed, rear of the cab. There's my exhaust. It's holding up pretty well. So there's, on each side, there's 2 up front and 2 in the rear. So I'll show you where the rear ones are too. Well, that was easy. Next one, I'm going to need a swivel. Guys, there's the bumper right here. So right up against the frame rail, just inside the channel of the frame rail, there is a bolt right here. And there's also a little access hole. There is a bolt up in there. If you don't have your spare tire on, you can probably reach up there a little easier inside the channel. But you know, just a short extension, you should be fine getting in there. So that's the other 2 bolts that they hold your bed on. There's also a little wiring harness for your tail lights and your license plate light, which is there. So yeah, it's all relatively easy to pull off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off these 2 bolts on this side, and I'll go ahead and film that. And the driver's side, I won't worry about filming right now. Not even that warm. How about that? Come on, buddy. There we go. All right, kids, just remember, don't try this at home. I've got a tire here between the tailgate and the cylinder. I got a strap across here. thought I hit stop on that last one. I think I've got something. The safety glasses are important. All right, guys. Well, I pulled the bed off the other day. I need